A society in which families are properly equipped to contribute to national development. A society in which there's equal and continuous access to resources. A society in which Jamaicans are empowered to achieve their fullest potential. That's the vision for Jamaica, and the Portia Simpson Miller-led administration has bought into that vision, making family advancement through community development a strategic priority for the 2013-2014 financial year.
Our policy strongly emphasizes community building as one of its core principles. This means creating workable policy framework and providing opportunities which will make community development a reality.
Recently, the Minister of Development, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller, gave more Jamaicans an opportunity to further develop themselves, their families and their communities. This was done through the handing over of 68 land titles to a Clarendon farming community, 34 years in the making.
Here at Ebony Park today, we take another step in our march to community development and progress. This step will further empower many of our people and many of our families. This step articulates one aspect of the social policy of my administration.
In addition to improving the island's housing stock, the government, through the issuing of land titles, provided an opportunity for persons to be more productive. The Ebony Park community was the brainchild of former Prime Minister Michael Manley, who in 1979 started the project with the help of the Israeli government and the Organization of American States. The idea was to provide 200 young people with a house and a 5-acre plot of land for farming. Though the project was started with 100 young people and was doing well, it later collapsed.
Michael Manley, I'm here today to continue part of your legacy here at Ebony Park. And I feel very happy that I'm able to do it. And what I want my government to do is to assist every day to try to transform one life at a time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And thousands of lives in this country.
Though 68 were present to collect their titles, 110 have been earmarked to receive the important document. The residents who tilled the soil, planting onions, plantains, pepper, watermelons, sorrel and pumpkins, can now increase their contribution to nation building, a reality that left some overjoyed.
I'm feeling so good. Words cannot explain how I'm feeling. I have heard about the titles coming true, but seeing the reality this evening, it gives me cold bumps. I just feel in my body a different feelings. I'm so happy and I'm glad that this has been a reality.
Last night I was there watching the TV and thinking about this evening, and then I say, you know, this is like having a cake without the icing on it, and this is like the icing on the cake for me.
Having your title now, you can assist with your farming, because as the councillor say, I'm present doing active farming. And you know, say when I small farmer, biggest challenge is finance. So with title can help us in that aspect.
This is the greatest achievement I could ever get. There is nothing more that is more important than this. I don't need anything more. I just want life now to enjoy what I have.
The Portia Simpson Miller-led administration is steadfast in its commitment to putting more power into the hands of the people by giving them the opportunity to become homeowners. This, the government hopes, will spur economic growth and raise the standard of living of many Jamaicans. With the accelerated titling drive, another 5,000 Jamaicans will soon be able to relate to the 110 in Ebony Park within the 2013-2014 fiscal year.